Halo teman-teman pembelajar sekalian, sekarang kita akan belajar percakapan bahasa Inggris buat pemula. Dibutuhkan kedisiplinan serta kesungguhan dalam mempelajari bahasa Inggris. Mari kita mulai pembelajarannya. Remove. You can remove that desk to your room. Kamu bisa memindahkan meja itu ke kamarmu. You can remove that desk to your room. Replace. Who replaces these books? Siapa yang memindahkan buku-buku ini? Who replaces these books? Report. My friends report that there is a storm in my town. Teman-temanku melaporkan bahwa ada sebuah badai di kotaku. My friends report that there is a storm in my town. Require. That company requires an IT staff. Perusahaan itu membutuhkan seorang staf IT. That company requires an IT staff. Return. I want to return this laptop in the office. Saya ingin mengembalikan laptop ini di kantor. I want to return this laptop in the office. Reveal. Ria reveals that she doesn't pass English test. Ria mengungkapkan bahwa dia tidak lulus tes bahasa Inggris. Ria reveals that she doesn't pass English test. Rise. We wait for sunrise. Kami menunggu matahari terbit. We wait for sunrise. Run. I run for exercise almost every day. Saya berlari untuk latihan hampir setiap hari. I run for exercise almost every day. Save. I always save my money in bank. Saya selalu menyimpan uangku di bank. I always save my money in bank. Say. Don't say anything to me. Jangan mengatakan apapun kepadaku. Don't say anything to me. See. I can not see you if you use mask. Saya tidak bisa melihatmu jika kamu menggunakan topeng. I cannot see you if you use mask. Seem. She seems cannot join in this meeting. Dia tampaknya tidak bisa bergabung dalam pertemuan ini. She seems cannot join in this meeting. Sell. She sells all my books with low price. Dia menjual semua buku-bukuku dengan harga yang rendah. She sells all my books with low price. Send. I cannot send money because my money in account is zero. Saya tidak bisa mengirim uang karena uangku di rekening kosong. I cannot send money because my money in account is zero. Separate. You must separate between job and family. Kamu harus memisahkan antara pekerja dan keluarga. You must separate between job and family. Serve. My parents serve many foods and drinks. Orang tuaku menyajikan banyak makanan dan minuman. My parents serve many foods and drinks. Set. I always set my schedule almost every day. Saya selalu mengatur jadwalku hampir setiap hari. I always set my schedule almost every day. Share. They share their knowledge to all of us. Mereka membagi pengetahuannya ke kami semua. They share their knowledge to all of us. Shoot! That criminal shoots his victim until die. Penjahat itu menembak korbannya hingga meninggal. That criminal shoots his victim until die. So, they show me how to do that program. Mereka menunjukkan padaku bagaimana mengerjakan program itu. They show me how to do that program. Sit. I can not sit because there is no chair. Saya tidak bisa duduk karena tiada kursi. I cannot sit because there is no chair. Speak. Don't speak louder than your action. Jangan berbicara lebih keras dibandingkan tindakanmu. Don't speak louder than your action. Spend. Don't spend your money. Use it well. Jangan habiskan uangmu, gunakan dengan baik. Don't spend your money, use it well. Start. You can start to eat before I come. Kamu bisa mulai makan sebelum saya datang. You can start to eat before I come. Stay. You can stay here if you want. Kamu bisa tinggal di sini kalau kamu mau. You can stay here if you want. Stop. You can stop working if you are tired. Kamu bisa berhenti bekerja kalau kamu lelah. You can stop working if you are tired. Strike. The fish strike my bait. Ikan itu menyambar umpanku. The fish strike my bait. Study. We must study harder than before. Kita harus belajar lebih keras dari sebelumnya. We must study harder than before. Suffer. Study harder is a cure from a suffers. Belajar keras adalah obat dari sebuah penderitaan. Study harder is a cure from a suffers. Suggest. He suggests us to study well. Dia menyarankan kami untuk belajar dengan baik. He suggests us to study well. Supply. They will supply us foods and drinks. Mereka akan menyediakan kami makanan dan minuman. They will supply us foods and drinks. Support. I need your support. Saya membutuhkan dukunganmu. I need your support. Suppose. I suppose give you much money. Saya seharusnya memberikanmu banyak uang. I suppose give you much money. Sekian dan terima kasih. And thank you. See you on another video.